Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser. In today's video, I will show you how to highlight text in PDF and annotate your PDF file or in Google Chrome browser. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do here is to make sure we open our PDF file with Chrome browser. How do we do that? So I'm going to go ahead and minimize my browser right here. So this particular PDF right here, I'm going to click on it, right click on it, then go ahead and look for open with. Then go ahead and click on Google Chrome right here, and it's going to redirect and load up right here, just like what you see right there. So how do you highlight this particular PDF file right here? How do you highlight text? Let's say, for instance, I want to highlight this particular DeepSeek right here. So what we want to do is to go ahead and click on drawing right here. So once you click on drawing, then navigate to highlighter right here. Then once you get to highlighter, you can choose your pen size, then come to color right here, choose your color size. Let's say I'm choosing this color, then come to the area you want to highlight, you have it that way. So if you are not satisfied with this result, go ahead and click on undo right here. Then you can change your pen, then come to highlighter again. So if you are not satisfied with that, go ahead and click on undo. Then go on and use this print pen as the case may be. I use different color as the case may be. Go ahead and click on undo and select the last pen right there, which is the biggest one. So once you are satisfied, you are good to go. If you are not satisfied, go ahead and click on undo. So I can choose this color right here and highlight this way. Once you're satisfied with that, you can move to the next one right here. So I can decide to highlight this text right here, and then I can scroll down right here, and then I can come to pen right here, pen size, and change the color right here. So I can decide to highlight this also, and then I can decide to highlight this also, just like what you see right here. So I can go ahead and change this pen right here, and then come to change the color right here. I can decide to highlight this as well. It's that simple. So you can go on and highlight as much as possible different section in your PDF file with this particular free tool in your Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to edit your PDF file with Google Chrome, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.